Hello, this is PuppyGal, and these puppies are Hope's puppies, Hope's and Peanut Butter Cookie. We've got, okay, y'all gonna just get right in my face, huh? You sure are. Why don't you go play? Go play like you're supposed to. Go play. Okay. Well, right in the middle we have the little girl, Tootsie Roll. Oh, Tootsie Roll, such a sweet girl. Then we have, come on. Who's this? Rolo. Rolo, smile for your mama. And then there's Hershey on the end. Mama's having a hard time with names this morning. Come on, look at your mama. Okay, so now, Daddy, throw them in a new toy so they can get this little legged octopus down here so they can play with it. Oh, new toy. Give them that monkey over there. They like that monkey. Y'all aren't, the minute I get at the camera, you quit doing all those cute little things you were doing before. I would just leave a video running all the time, except I'd trip over it and no telling what else, forgetting it was there. Yes, these are Hope's puppies, and this is PuppyGal. All of these babies have been reserved. Oh, got my Christmas bear. Oh, I like this Christmas bear. Bear feels good. Who's that one over there? Is that Rolo? No. Is that who?
Yeah, this is Rolo.
That's Rolo. Come on, guys. Come on. Well, you were just jumping in the air and doing all sorts of cute things before Mama got out the video. Ooh, Tootsie Roll says, it's mine, it's mine. It's all mine. It's all mine. I'm taking it away. It's all mine. This is what we do all day. We just laugh at puppies. Oh, Mama Judy be glad when all the puppies are gone so she can clean her house. She's got a good excuse right now. I have to take care of the puppies. Oh, and it is so dirty. Got all the plants out. Now we can breathe and we have room to clean house. But I can use the excuse of puppies. Couple more weeks. Y'all look sweet. Look up here. Look up here. You're gonna lay down. It's mine. I'm gonna lay down. I'm gonna just cover it all up with my body. Guys, well, this is enough for right now. Mom Judy's got to go clean on the house a little bit anyway. Saying goodbye for Hope's puppies. All of these babies have been reserved. We only have one puppy available, and that was Eric from Bessie Smith's litter. These babies are going to go to their new parents in a couple of weeks. Hey guys, say goodbye. Hey guys. Hey guys. Guys. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Uh-oh. Tootsie Roll, big bad girl. So I didn't hurt him. If he didn't squeal, it's okay if he doesn't squeal. If you got his mouth, how can he squeal? Tootsie Roll. That's it. Goodbye.